Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can install different packages in R without writing in R Studio without writing any code. So this is the interface of the R Studio. This is basically the terminal. Here you can write the code, and this is the console. In the console, you will see the output. And here you can import any data set from Excel or in text format, and here in the plot you can see any plots that you will make using the RStudio. In the packages you will find all the list of packages that are in the RStudio, and if you don't know about any package you can here click on the help. So if you want to install packages in the R, just click on here install button. So I want to install the package ggplot2. So just write the name of the package here and then click on the install. So it will install the package in our system. So this is the command for installing the package, like install packages ggplot2. So we just need to wait for some time and then it will install the package automatically. If you directly want to install the package by writing the code, you can use this code install package ggplot2. This is basically the code that you can use to install the package, any package in R. You just need to use the command install that package, and here you need to write the name of the package that you want to install. So if I want to install any other package, I just need to write the name of the package here. So our ggplot will start automatically here. So after installing the package with the install button, you need to activate the package. How you will activate the package? You can click on here, go to the package, right here ggplot2, click on the ggplot2 here. You can see library ggplot is installed. Actually, to activate the package, we are using what we are using library. Okay, now I want to install a new package here, so I will install with the code and show you how you can install with a code. So I want to install the package name read Excel. Okay, just write this command and run the command. Then I will use the code library read Excel to activate this package. So here you can see our package library Excel is installed in the RStudio. So by using these commands or by using the install button, you can install different type of packages in RStudio. In the next video, I will talk about how we can make different type of plots and analyze data in RStudio. Thank you so much for watching this video.